The old Boy Scout motto, be prepared, applies to an awful lot of things, and that includes owners of small businesses as the end of the year approaches. With me is Sonja Brisard. She's owner of Bookeeping Express and is here with tips for small business owners. Sonja, first of all, welcome.
Thank you.
And tell us, how small is small? What are you talking about here? How many employees?
50 or fewer is considered a small business.
Okay. You told me you have about 10 clients here in Chicago. What are you advising them to do?
Well, first of all, it is not too late. If you haven't done anything all year in terms of your record keeping in your books, it's not too late. Organize your receipts, gather them up. Find some place to put them. The old adage of a shoebox, that still works. Find an expandable folder, put things in order by month, by category, utilities, rent, office supplies, and get some help if you need some help. Find someone who can help you put your records in order.
What do small business owners forget to do when you talk to them and you hear them, they come to you for advice?
The biggest thing they forget to do is keep track of the small expenses. Those small expenses can add up and you can lose out on big business deductions. So keep track of every little dollar that you spend. You may not need it for your IRS purposes, but you need it for your taxes and your business deductions.
Now, this is regardless what happens in terms of Washington with the fiscal cliff, correct?
Absolutely.
This is all being ready to go to your tax preparer.
Exactly. You need this no matter what happens with the fiscal cliff. It's just something you need to keep your business in order so that you understand what's going on and you're tax ready.
Very good. What about internal to your company? What sorts of things should small business owners be doing if they're not doing already, or things that you would advise them to start doing for next year?
Sure. Couple things. First thing is, as a small business owner, make sure your bank statements and credit card statements come to you unopened. You review them and make sure that you understand all the transactions. That could prevent fraud from any employee doing something or making unauthorized transactions. Keep separate banking and credit card accounts. At year end, you don't want to have to spend time sorting through personal expenses versus business expenses. It's stressful and it can save you time and money if you do those things.
Terrific advice. Sonja, thank you so much for joining us today. Sonja Brisard of Bookeeping Express.
Thank you.